Good morning, Teacher Land.
Good morning.
และทำไม Teacher Land ต้องพัดคือเดินได้
Morning ผู้พา
Mà má bên đây là kìm luôn hả? Ủa? Mà má bên đây là kìm luôn hả?
Good morning, everybody. So while waiting for the others, we're going to watch a video first by
ซึ่งมังกาสองคนเอง
about soil. Page 146. 146. We're going to talk about soil. Soil. Okay. Anyways, good morning to those who just entered the room. Good morning, everybody. Today we're going to study science and we're going to talk about the soil. What makes up soil? Okay, you know what soil is, right? What is soil?
It's dirt.
It's dirt. Okay, so when this is something that plants need, okay, to survive, and also we walk on it. We walk on the soil. You can see it in the garden, in every place. Okay,
Teacher, what this?
page 146. So let's begin. Okay, soil, kids, is a natural resource. Natural resource. It is mixed with small rocks, minerals, dead animals, and dead plants. So in soil, it's not just soil alone. When we get some soil from the ground, we cannot just see soil. We will also be able to see small rocks, right? We can see some small rocks in it, right? When we get some soil from the ground. And also we can, and also it has minerals. It has dead animals. Oh, so the soil has the dead animals on it. Okay, can you believe the soil doesn't just have soil itself, but it also have dead animals? Oh no. And also it has dead plants. Okay, when the plants die, it yes, page 146. 146. When the plants die, it will be dark, right? It will be black. Okay, and that dead plant will join the soil. Okay, it will be part of the soil. It will be combined with the soil. Okay, it also has water and air in it. Okay, between pieces of soil, there is 25% of water and 25% of air between them. Okay, it is important for our lives because we use it for planting fruits and vegetables and flowers, right? And those things, we need them in our lives. The soil in different places can be alike or different. So when we go to one place, there's a kind of soil. When we go to another place, there is a different kind of soil. Okay, because the soil in different places can be alike or different. Okay, depending on the environment of the soil. So let's go and continue. Okay. When rocks, okay, this is seen in the next page. This is in page 149. 149. When rocks and minerals break down into smaller pieces, they become a part of soil. Or they become a part of soil. Okay, when rocks and minerals break down into smaller pieces, they become a part of soil. Okay, the change in weather. Okay, what is the change in weather? Okay, when it is sunny and it suddenly became windy and it suddenly became rainy. Okay, those things affect the breakdown of rocks and minerals. Okay, but not just the weather. Yes,
Page
149.
149.
Yes. Okay. Not just the weather, but also the wind, the rain, the sun. Okay. How sunny it is. Okay. The streams, the glaciers. Okay. They can all make rocks and minerals. Wait a minute. Glaciers. Okay.
149.
Yes. Okay. They all affect or they make rocks and minerals to break down. And over a long time, okay, after a long time, these broken rocks will become mineral matter. Okay, mineral matter. It is the main material of soil. So the main material of soil is the mineral water. Soil is completely formed when this mineral matter mixes with dead plants and animals. So those mineral matters, when they are combined with the dead plants and the dead animals, it will complete, okay? It will complete the formation of the soil. Okay, this is what I have said. Okay, soil is made from rocks, okay? The breakdown of rocks and the breakdown of minerals, when they are combined with the mineral matter, okay, when they are combined with the mineral water, it will complete the formation of the soil. Rocks, minerals with mineral matter, it will complete the formation of the soil, okay?
Okay.
Let's continue. Okay, can you see the picture? What can you see in the picture?
A dead plant and a dead fish.
A dead plant and a dead fish. Okay, the remains of the fish and a dead plant. What else?
And rocks and minerals.
Rocks and minerals. Okay, you can see here the rocks and minerals, and on the other side we can see the dead plants and animals. Okay, so kids, the dead plants and the animals, they form the organic matter or humus. Okay, let's search for the pronunciation. Sorry, that is humus, okay? Humus. Okay, the dead plants and animals form the organic matter or called the humus. Okay, can you say humus? Say it.
Humus.
Okay. When we see the dead plants and the animals, remember that they make humus, okay? And the humus are the organic matter. Dead plant and dead animals, when they go to the soil, when they go to the ground, they becomes the organic matter or called the humus. Okay? Organic matters are the dead plants and dead animals. Dead plants, dead animals, humus. Dead plants, dead animals, humus. Okay, what about the rocks and minerals? Rocks and minerals, what happens to them? They become the mineral matter. Mineral matter, okay. When you combine or when the rock and minerals goes to the ground and it becomes soil, it will form the mineral matter. Mineral matter, or they are also called the parent material. Parent material. Parent material, rocks and minerals. Parent material, rocks and minerals. Okay? Remember, they are mineral matter. Rocks and minerals are mineral matter that forms parent material. Okay, so what happens to them? They are mixed and layered for a long time. The dead plants and the dead animals and the rock and minerals, they are mixed and layered for a long time. And they are called and they form the organic matter and the mineral matter. Okay, what makes the organic matter? What makes the organic matter? Is it A, dead plants and dead animals, or B, rocks and minerals? What makes the organic matter? A, dead plants and dead animals, or B, rocks and minerals? Okay, what is the answer? A or B? A or B? What makes the organic matter? Here, look at the screen. What makes the organic matter? Is it A, dead plants and animals, or B, rocks and minerals? B? B? The correct answer is letter A. Dead plants and animals make the organic matter, or called the humus. What about the mineral material? What makes the mineral material? Is it A, dead plants and animals, or B, rocks and minerals?
Rocks
What makes
and
the
minerals?
mineral matter? Rocks and minerals. Good job. Okay. Rocks and minerals makes the mineral matter. Okay. When you say mineral matter, it is formed by rocks and minerals. That is why it's called the mineral matter. What is it, Sharif?
Page 149.
Yes, it is. Okay, science fact. Microorganisms are living things, but they are not plants, and they are not animals. Some of them are very, very small, and we cannot see them with our naked eye. For example, the fungi and the bacteria. Okay, they are called the microorganism. They are living things, but they are plants. They are not plants, and they are also not animals, but they are living things. Some of them are very small, and we cannot see them with our own eyes, with our naked eye. We have to use a microscope to see them, but with our naked eye, we cannot see them. Okay? Some of them are fungi and bacteria. Some microorganisms can break down many dead living things and turn them into organic matter. Okay, so some microorganisms, they can break down, or they can break down many dead living things. When animals are dead and when plants are dead, they break them down and they will be organic matter, which is a part of soil. Okay, so these are the parts of the soil. Okay, the biggest percentage of the soil is what is the biggest? The mineral matters. Because the mineral matters compose 45%. 150. Okay. Mineral matters makes up 45% of the soil. Okay, for example, this circle is soil. This is soil. Like for example, one bag of soil. For example, this is one bag of soil. 45% of that soil is mineral matters. Okay, mineral matters. Okay, and then 25% of the soil is water. Okay, 25% of soil is water, and 25% of soil is air. Okay, so how many percent of soil is water? How many percent of soil is water? What, smile? I can see you're answering. What's your answer?
I think Smile don't know.
I think she knows. Okay, how many percent of Water. How many percent of soil is water? You can see it on the screen.
Teacher, may I go to the toilet?
25.
It's 25. Yes, you can, Sharif. Okay, it's 25%. Okay, you can see here the soil is made up of 25% water. What about air? How many percent of air are there in the soil?
25.
Okay, it's also 25%. So the water and air, they both compose 25% of the soil. What about the mineral matters?
45.
45. 45% of the soil is made of mineral matters. And mineral matters are composed of rocks and minerals. Okay? Rocks and minerals composes mineral matters. Okay, what about the organic matter? How many percent?
5. 5.
Good job, 5%. Okay, and that 5% of organic matter is made up of plants, dead plants, and animals. Dead plants and animals make up the organic matter, and the organic matter makes up 5% of the soil. Okay, now I will ask you what makes dead plants and animals. A, organic matter. B, mineral matters.
Organic matter.
Yes, organic matter. But what makes the rocks and the minerals? A, organic matter, or B, mineral matters?
Mineral matters.
Mineral matters. Okay, now how many percent?
What page?
Page 150. Okay, I'm going to ask another thing. What part of the soil is what part of the soil makes up 5%?
Organic matter.
Organic matter. What makes up 45% of the soil?
Mineral matters.
Mineral matters. And what makes up 50% of the soil?
50%.
Yes. What makes up 50% of the soil?
There's no 50.
There is. Okay, it is air and water.
Air and water.
Yeah, when you combine them, they make up 50% of the soil because they are both 25%. 25% plus 25% is 50%. Okay, so mineral matters make 45% of the soil. These are small pieces of rocks and minerals. Yeah, it's minerals. These are small pieces of rocks and minerals. These will turn into nutrients for plants. Okay? They will turn into nutrients for plants. They give soil texture where plant roots can hold on to. So mineral matters are helpful for the plants because it will not just give nutrients for the plants, but also they will give texture for the soil, and therefore the roots of the plants can hold onto it even stronger. Okay? Now what about the organic matter? The organic matter makes 5% of the soil. Good job. Okay, it is the dead plants and animals called humus. This will become nutrients for plants. Okay, if the mineral matter can give nutrients for plants, organic matter can also give nutrients for plants. It joins soil pieces together and helps soil to hold water. Okay, it is one of the reasons, or it is the reason why the soil can pack together. Okay, and also it helps to hold water, and that will also be beneficial, or that will also help the plant to grow even better. And next is air. Air stays between the soil pieces where there is no water. It is called soil porosity or fluffiness. Okay, when there's a part of the soil that there's no water, air fills in, and when there's air into it, it's called fluffiness. The soil becomes fluffy. Okay, fluffy means like when you press it, it kind of bounce back. Okay, you can press it like this. Okay, in a sandwich or a cupcake, when you touch it like this, it goes back.
Teacher, what
That
is?
is stage thing, 150. 150. Okay, that is called fluffiness. Air in soil helps plant roots move deeper and easier into the soil to take in nutrients and water. When there's air in the soil, thus the root will be able to move, okay, better because they have space. Okay, air makes how many percent of the soil? How many percent of the soil that the air has? How many percent of the soil? How many percent?
25.
25%. Okay, 25%. How many percent of soil is organic matter?
5.
5%. How many percent is mineral matters?
45.
45%. Good job, you guys. Okay, what about the water? How many percent?
25. 25. 25.
25. Okay. Soil gets water from rainfall or from the underground water. Okay, so the soil gets water either from above or from below. From above when it's rainfall and from below if it's underground water. A soil with 25% water is good for planting. Okay? Water breaks down nutrients in soil so that plants can use this for their growth. Water also makes soil moist and soft so plant roots can find food easily. Okay, when the soil has 25% of water, it is good for the plants. And if it is if the soil is if the soil has good percentage of water, okay, the plant will grow better because the nutrients will also be broken down easily, okay, and be absorbed by the plants easily. Okay, so here are the layers of the soil. Okay, let's go back first. What are the parts of the soil? What are the 4 parts of the soil?
Mineral matters.
Mineral matters.
Organic matter.
Organic matters. What else?
Air.
Air and
Water.
water. Okay, now repeat after me, everybody. Repeat after me. Turn on your microphone. Okay, the first one, mineral matters.
Mineral matters.
45%.
45%.
Water. 25%.
25%.
Air.
Air.
25%.
25%.
Organic matter.
Organic matter.
5%.
5%.
Okay, you have to remember those because maybe that will be part of your exam. Maybe. Okay, so here are the layers of soil. Okay, the first layer of soil is called the O horizon or organic horizon. Okay, the organic horizon is on the surface with a lot of organic matter or humus. Okay, this is on the top part of the soil. It is in the surface part. That means that we can see this. Okay. When you see the ground and there's like grass on it, when you get the grass, you will see the organic horizon. The organic horizon. The first layer of the soil is the organic horizon. The next layer of the soil is the topsoil. Topsoil is black. Okay, it is black in color with organic matter and materials. Okay, this is black in color. This is called the topsoil. Okay, it is black in color with organic matter and minerals. The next one is the alluvial horizon. Alluvial horizon. It is light in color. Look at it. It's light in color with lesser organic matter than the upper layers. Its soil texture is rougher than the lower layer. Pieces of soil are large. Okay, this is called the alluvial horizon. Okay, this is light in color, and when you can see it, the rocks or the pieces of soil are large, but its texture is rougher than the lower layer. Okay, the next one is the subsoil. The subsoil is light in color. Okay, the subsoil is also light in color with lesser organic matter than the above layers. Its soil texture is smooth. Pieces of soil are small. Okay, the pieces of the pieces of soil in subsoil is small. Okay, and its soil texture is smooth. Next is the parent material. The parent material has a lot of rock and minerals that are breaking down. Okay, this is the layer that has a lot of rocks and materials that are breaking down. The last part is the bedrock. The bedrock, okay, is a layer of hard rocks. They do not break down yet. Okay, this is called the bedrock. Okay, this is the last layer of the soil. This is the hardest part of the soil. Okay, so let's go. Okay, we're going to have some written activities in page 146. We're going to look at the picture and answer the question. 146. Okay. This is the question. Which of these can be found in soil? Okay, if you can see that this can be found in soil, you're going to write them on the line. Okay, for example, broken rocks, can it be found in soil?
Yes.
Okay, it can be found in soil, so you're going to write broken rocks. In page 146, you're going to write broken rocks. Finish?
Finish.
Okay, next. The broken rocks can be found in soil, so you're going to write broken rocks. Okay. Next one is the water. Can it be found in soil?
Yes.
Okay, so if you think it's yes, you're going to write water in page 146. And let me know when you're finished.
Repeat.
Finish.
Page 146.
Number one.
Number 1. Broken rock. Is this found in soil? Okay, if this can be found in soil, you're going to write it on the underline. Okay? And let me know when you're finishing number 1. Finish number 1?
Finish.
Shari, finish?
No.
Finish.
Again, Shari, finish?
No.
Finish.
Okay. Finish number 1 first. Actually, you can see it on your book.
Finish.
Okay. Number 2. Water. Can it be found in soil? Can it be found in soil? Okay, good job, Rasa.
Finish.
Okay, is everybody finished number 2?
Finish.
What about number 3, air? Can it be found in soil? Air.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, if you think so, write it on your book in page 146. Write air.
Finish.
Good job.
Finish.
Good job. Is everybody finished then? Okay, next. What about the animals in soil?
Yes.
Okay. If you think so, write it on your book.
No. Animals from soil?
If you think if you think it can be seen in soil, okay.
Finish.
Okay. The answer here is no. Okay, next. Can you see it in soil? Can it be found in soil? Grains?
No.
No. Good job. What about the dead animals?
Yes. No.
Yes.
Oh.
Oh, I just said the answer. Okay, so for your homework,
What's the homework?
just finish page 146 and send it to your line group. Okay, so after writing the homework, you may say goodbye to your friends. Today we learned the soil and its components. I hope that you enjoyed this class for today, and I also hope that you learned something from it. Goodbye, kids.
Bye. Thank you, teacher.
Thanks too. Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.